Man, I hooked him. God damn it! I don't want to think about it now. Oh, man. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be heading back out to the lake. I'm going to try a few creeks. The bass are moving up and it's a lot warmer weather. I think we're sitting in about the 80s today. Blue skies. It should be some really good fishing. We're going to try some in the evening today. Taking my buddy Brandon out. We're going to try a few creeks, see if we can get some bass in the boat, maybe get some big sallies. I don't know. Before we get out there, guys, 50% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So go over and hit that subscribe button. If you think I suck later, you can unsubscribe, but today, let's subscribe. Let's help out the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get out there. Let's go fish. All right, guys, we made it out to the first creek that I wanted to go after today. Got Brandon on the boat. Finally, he showed up. Story of my life. Women being late. That's why I got 2 kids. I was hoping, man, throwing this crawl off these rocks right here, man. You think that'd be golden, wouldn't it? No, I'm not. I guess I could run it a little slower, huh? I'm scraping something down there, getting some grass on it. Oh, I just got bit. I missed him. Son of a. Missed him, guys. I missed him. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's a mess. This is a mess. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm about to throw this rod and reel in the water. This right here? This right here? Yeah, that's a cup. It's a paper cup. Yes, ma'am. You miss them? Was it carp? Well, carp don't have teeth. No, they don't. Oh, I thought you said carp. Oh, I did say carp. Well, this just could, I mean, could just be a bad creek. We got another creek we need to try, you know. I mean, if we could catch, if we can not catch docks. That's him. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First one in the boat. First one in the boat. First one in the boat. Come on. Stop doing that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sir. Right under that dock, man. Right under that dock. Lost my bug, but that's all right. There you go, guys. Probably a 2-pounder, maybe. Nice fish. Nice fish. Got him. All right, skunk's out of the boat. Dude, I guarantee there's one more in there. I bet that female's in there. Hell yeah. I'm going back in there. She hit it hard. Hard, dude. Bandito bug, guys. That's what we catch them on. All right. Let's go back and get another one. I threw all the way to the back. And I was like, I was pulling, I was like, that ain't going nowhere. Slam. I don't know if you guys watch Typical Outdoors, but it's been a while since we've had a fish in this boat. God, that was a horrible cast. Well, he needs one, dude. Just one. To get you going, you know? They're in here. Just gotta get them to bite. A little close to this freaking ramp. Of course. God, dude, this is embarrassing. I'm so glad I'm filming it. This is horrible. Well, that's usually par for the course. Catch one, then I backlash for an hour. Here, let me turn this around and give us a better angle at it. There we go. Now we can make some casts. That boat's just a little too low. Can't make it, man. Usually, man, I'll throw right on that bulkhead and let it drop straight down that bulkhead. He hit it on the fall. I drug, or it fell. I drug once, and then when it was falling, he hit it.
Dude, that was at least a 5-pounder.
Oh, dude, that thing was so big, dude. Y'all got a gun?
I've seen it. It was a good fish.
Oh, man. Well, that's why they're that big, huh? They can shake that hook. Man, I hooked him. God damn it! I don't want to think about it now. Oh, man. There's some fish. I caught a nice 2-pounder down there on that boat down there, but that could have made my day, made my video for sure. I was not filming, and when I had him and I went to push the button, that's when he jumped straight up. So me pushing the camera button is probably why I lost it. Oh yeah, yes, little button. Little button cost me a 5-pounder. Thanks for bringing it up. Jesus, dude. Brandon. Dude, he went like, he was. There he is. Oh! Right there. There's another one. That's a big one. He broke me off. That was a big one. That was a big one. I'm about to lose my dude. I'm so upset right now. You don't even know. That's two good fish, bro. Yeah, I guarantee that was a big old female sitting on her bed. Get out of y'all's way here in a minute, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna try it again with the Bandito Bug. Rig this pole back up after I sent a bird's nest from hell on it. Alright. Creature bait, creature bait. That's it. Let's go get them. Guys, we're seeing huge bass jumping out here. We just want to get one of those big boys in this boat, and I'll be happy. I'll go home. I don't know. I'm not gonna say yes or no, but there was some tension on my line. There was some tension. It's right there. It's right there. Where all the waves are at? Is it a snake? Don't say that. Do you want to leave now, or? Is it a snake? Oh. Please don't hook one of those. Did that give off a wake? Mm-mm. 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 No, sir. No, sir. Sorry. This thing's pretty strong, dude. Sorry about that. I don't know. I don't know if I can make it over that. It's pretty shallow, dude. It's stumpy. All right, guys. I think that's gonna do it for today. One fish, 2 misses, 1 big one. Got us a couple bites. We talked to a few guys that were fishing up in the creek that were actually fishing for some crappie, and he actually caught a few small bass. All in all, a good day. Man, any day is a good day when you get out in the water. So we just had a little bit of time today, so we're gonna pack it in, head back to the boat ramp, call it a day. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Until next time, guys, we will catch ya.